How to make a paper snowflake. Here are some examples. All you will need is scissors and a square piece of paper. It could be any color you want. First, you fold it like this into a rectangle. Uh-oh, I made a mistake. Now I make a square like this. Now I make a triangle like this. This one is a little hard because I'm using construction. Okay. Now you cut any types of shape you want. Okay, here's the final result. Let's open it up. Ooh, look at my new snowflake I designed. What do you guys think of it? And I hope you have fun making snowflake. Bye!